Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create invoice by using some formulas. Just type all the text here. If you purchase LCD, just type LCD and type rate of LCD and quantity of LCD. Now I want to calculate the total amount of LCD. Just type is equal to, select the cell of rate, multiply, type asterisk for multiplication and select quantity cell and press enter. It will calculate total amount of LCD. Now drag it to the bottom for copy the formula. Now I want to calculate total amount of invoice. Just press auto sum formula. It will automatically select all the cell above and press enter. Now total amount is $2,490. Now discount is 10%. How can we calculate discount? Type is equal to, select the cell and multiply, type the asterisk sign for multiplication and 10 and percent, shift 5 for percent sign and press enter. It will calculate the 10% discount. Here is a general sale tax 12.5%. How can we calculate? Just type is equal to, select the cell of total amount and type asterisk sign for multiplication and 12.5%, type shift 5 for percent sign and press enter. It will calculate the general sale tax. And now I want to calculate the net amount. Type is equal to and select the total amount of invoice minus discount plus general sale tax and press enter. It will calculate the net amount of invoice. Now invoice is ready for printing. Now you can see here is a formula. For amount of any product, I use this formula, and here is a formula, and for the total amount of invoice I use the auto sum, and here is a formula. For discount I use this formula, general sale tax I use this formula, and net amount I use this formula. Now you can create invoice very easily by using these formulas. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.